Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my video series of my channel Learning Arabic Made Easy. In this lesson, I will teach you the Arabic pronouns. In this session, I will focus on what we call detached personal pronouns, الضمائر المنفصلة. They are called detached because they are personal standalone pronouns. There are three types: singular, dual, and plural. So, singular pronouns. أنا, I. Example: أنا طالب. I am a student. أنت, you, for a masculine. Example: أنت طالب. You are a student. أنت, you, for a feminine. Example: أنت طالبة. You are a student. هو, he, for masculine. Example: هو طالب. He is a student. هي, she. Example: هي طالبة. She is a student. The second type of pronouns are called dual pronouns. These pronouns are used to refer to two people. So, نحن, we, for two males. Example: نحن طالبان. We are students. نحن, we, for two females. Example: نحن طالبتان. We are students. أنتما, you, for two males. Example: أنتما طالبان. You are students. أنتما, you, for two females. Example: أنتما طالبتان. You are students. هما, they, for two males. Example: هما طالبان. They are students. هما, they, for two females. Example: هما طالبتان. They are students. The third type of pronouns are called plural pronouns. These pronouns are used to refer to more than two persons or multiple persons. So, نحن, we. Example: نحن طلاب. We are students. أنتم, you, plural males. Example: أنتم طلاب. You are students. أنتن, you, for plural females. Example: أنتن طالبات. You are students. هم, they, for plural males. Example: هم طلاب. They are students. هن, they, for plural females. Example: هن طالبات. They are students. Let us now do a quick revision of the pronouns we covered so far. So, singular pronouns: I, أنا. You, for masculine: أنت. You, feminine: أنتِ. He, هو. She, هي. Dual pronouns: we, نحن. You, أنتما. They, هما. Plural pronouns: we, نحن. You, masculine: أنتم. You, feminine: أنتن. They, masculine: هم. They, feminine: هن. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, please add them to the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next lesson. مع السلامة.